Computer vision. How did I learn? Let's see. What's up guys, how are you doing? In this video we will talk about computer vision. How did I learn it? What courses did I watch? And what did I learn in these courses? So let's start with what is computer vision. Computer vision is an important field that enables computers to gain high-level understanding from digital images or videos. It seeks to simulate tasks that the human vision system can perform, such as recognizing objects, identifying people, understanding scenes, and so on. Some of the basic tasks of computer vision are object recognition and classification, identify and classify objects within image or video, object detection and tracking, locate and monitor objects as they move within a video or across multiple frames. Overall, computer vision plays an important role in enabling machines to interpret and understand visual information, leading to a wide range of applications across various industries and fields. So, how did I learn computer vision? This was one of the courses that I did watch. I think it's so useful and will help you to start with computer vision. But you have to know Python before starting with this course. We did talk about Python in the last course. You can find the Python video in the description box. So now let's keep going. The description of this course says, learn advanced computer vision using Python in this full course. You will learn state-of-the-art computer vision techniques by building 5 projects with libraries such as OpenCV and MediaPipe. If you are a beginner, don't be afraid of the term advanced. Even though the concepts are advanced, they are not difficult to follow. Let's see the course content. First of all, we have an intro. Hand tracking, we will know the basics. Hand tracking, we will build the module. Pose estimation, we will know the basics. Pose estimation, we will build the module. Face detection, we will know the basics. Face detection, we will build the module. Face mesh, we will know the basics. Face mesh, we will build the module. Now we will have 5 projects. Gesture volume control, finger counter, AI personal trainer, AI virtual painter, AI virtual mouse. This is what you will learn in this course. 4 captures and 5 projects. I think this is good as a beginning with computer vision. It's a big field. There's a lot of courses and videos on the internet you can watch, like this one or this one. And you can search about anything you want, like how to build a mouse using your eye, and so on. At the end, I just shared my journey with you, and you can keep going your own. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.